Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We'll continue creating our custom hooks, and if you didn't see my last video, you can go to my channel, and in the last video we created use input hook, and today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a usePrevious hook. This hook helps us keep track of the previous value of a state variable. Let's get started. Okay, let's go to our code and create new file. This time its name usePrevious. Okay, and also I created GitHub repository and I add link to description, and if you want to get all these hooks you can go to my GitHub profile. Okay, and now we need import to React hooks. Today we'll be using useEffect and using useRef. Use destructurization and create our hook. And create arrow function. We need to add one argument, it'll be our value. Okay, and also add export. Okay, next we need to use in our useRef. Initialize our useRef, create new ref, and called useRef. Okay, and next we need to use in our useEffect. Create array dependencies, and we need to add our value. When our value will be changed, we need to add new data for our ref using our value and change our ref. Don't forget about that we need to using property current. Okay, and using our value. Okay, and also we need to return our value using ref and current. Okay, now our function will be return our previous value that it save in ref current. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Open our component. This code state from our last lesson. We can clear this code and delete these imports, and now we create a new counter because I wanted to show you example. Its name counter, and also create set counter. Okay, and using use state and add 0. Okay, and next we can called our hook. Create new variable. We can name this variable prev count. It doesn't matter. And use a hook. And we need to add one argument. We add our counter, but you can add something else. So what do you need to save your previous state? Okay, and now we can create two examples. First we create h4 tag. We can create two tags and print our two variables. In the first variables we'll print our current count. Let's add some text. Current count. Okay, and in the second we can print our previous count. Previous count. Okay, and add our variables. And let's create a button. This button will be change our count, and add event on click. And when people will click on our button, we need to change our count. Okay, add our counter +1. Okay, and we can add some text like increment. Okay, now let's open the window. Okay, I forgot to run our project. Let's run our project. Okay, and update our page. Now we see our counter and previous counter. Let's click. Like you see, here's our previous state, and our hook works. And it's very useful hook when we need to save our previous data. Okay, today we created a custom hook usePrevious to track the previous value of a state variables. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.